This is Fiat 500 2013 model. Basically, car came to diagnostic engine management light on. However, before digging anything, I would like to check engine oil level. This car normally suffer with the oil burning problem, but however this car has oil level here slightly low, but it's not bad at all. Coolant level, yeah, exactly spot on. Yeah, right, let's start the car and have a look what's going on here. If someone want to know where's the OBD connector, it's underneath here. You have to pull this plug, take out, and this is the connector. Right, let's start the car. When I start the car, immediately I feel car little bit shaking, and when I go to the exhaust, you can hear like a puffing sound. And also here, engine management light on, stop sign on, and front door, driver door open here, check engine. Right, vehicle has a multiple lights on. Like this problem, we need to plug in the computer. This is 1.2 2013 Fiat 500. I'll take a faulty code under engine management. You can see here P0301 cylinder 1 ignition failures, P0300 ignition failure recognition, and P0136 Lambda 1 signal below cats. When I see like this faulty codes, I'm not too much fussed for the Lambda signal or Lambda sensor, because if your engine not right, if your engine not running properly, it will affected to the Lambda. That's why the Lambda job identify oxygen level, engine performance through the Lambda sensor. Because of that, at the moment I'm ignore the Lambda sensor. We find out what's going on the engine bay. Basically, this engine has a 4-cylinder. If you want, at the moment it's talk about the cylinder number 1, something not right. What you can do, you can take out the cylinder number 1 spark plugs and put it to the number 3 chamber, and the number 3 one you can put it to the number 1, and you can do a little bit experiment. But when I see like this problem, sometime if spark, you can see now engine shaking. Yeah, it has a bad misfire. Sometimes if your spark plugs fail, then it will go next step for the leads, then coil pack. Because of that, one go, yes or no, I will change everything in one go. Basically, I will change for this problem, spark plugs, coil pack, and coil pack leads. If you want to little bit work around that area, you can swap the spark plugs, you can change the leads, and you can find out where exactly the problem. Go step by step, you will identify. But however, in this case, I will suggest this customer to do the one go everything. After that, they are not experience same problem in one go. If it some reason not right after changing spark plugs, coil packs, and the leads, it could be something developing from the inside, but need to do the compression test and find out what's going on and deeper, because the normally misfire, sometimes it's very easy to identify. It could be plugs, leads, and coil pack. Sometimes it's going very deeper, various way. Until we do the first step, I don't want to add more diagnostic charges for the customer. If someone happy to spend £120 for my diagnostic, then I can go more deeper. But however, at the moment I suggest to them do the coil pack and spark plugs and leads, because this is just initial diagnostic.